Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's having a good weekend. I wanted to come on today and share a little ornament that I made this week. This is something I made to take with us on our trip to London in December. My grandson and my son and his wife live over there, and it's our first visit to meet him. He'll be 2 in November. We haven't been over to London for 3 years. We went there before to my son's wedding, and about a year later, our little grandson was born, and we're so excited to meet him. And you know, we Skype with him a lot, and he's seen us numerous times, like just about every other day. But to go over there and actually hold him and give him a hug is something that my husband and I are just so excited about. But I wanted to make something that I could take that would be lightweight and that I could just stick in my suitcase, and just to make a little keepsake. You know, I'll be buying tons of things when we get over there for him and my son and his wife, but I just wanted to make a little something too. So I saw this idea from Susie Hines. I think it's Hein, maybe. I'll put her link below. She did a tutorial for this and inspired me. Now, she used some different things, so you'll get to see what she did if you go visit her video site, her channel. But I wanted to make one with my grandson's pictures that I've gotten from them over this past year. So what I did was I used these little, they're called box tops, and Tim Holtz puts them out. I found mine on Amazon, and they come in a package of 6, and there's different, I think it was a package of 6, it might have been 4. Anyway, there are different designs on each one, and on the back they'll come in silver, and I just used some chalk paint and painted those. You could use gesso, or you don't even have to paint them or prime them at all. And then what I did is I took the pictures and I made a little accordion, so that when you pull the little tab, the pictures of my grandson and his mom and dad pull out. I love that one at the back showing his little backside. I thought that was a cute one to put there. And then you just put them back in. They fold right up. And at the top, I put a little glitter around and put my grandson's picture there on his bicycle. Well, actually, it's his mom's bicycle, and she carries him around on it. And he just loves it. So I was really tickled with how that turned out. And I simply used, you can see on the back side, I just cut the pictures out. I made a template. Here's my little template I made. And I just made it so it would fit right in there. And I traced pictures that I printed out from the computer, and then I backed them with some decorative cardstock, and I just put them in a row, and I glued this fabric behind them, and I left just a little space in between so that they would fold up. And then of course this one was glued down there, and it's glued almost all the way down, but I left a little bit open down here so that it has a little give there, little flexibility. And the fabric that I used actually came from England. It came from Liberty. I don't know if you've heard of them, but it's a wonderful place to visit if you ever go to London. They have fantastic fabrics, And I just adored these little houses. And since they moved into a new house this year, I thought that would be kind of cute to use. And I put a little glitter on the front. I don't know if you can tell that. And then I add it to the little tab at the bottom. And this is just under that first picture. I add it, first I tucked in the fabric and I just stitched over that. And I added a little Tim Holtz pin with some of his charms. That's a little bell and a little pine cone. And I thought I might try to find one more that I could put on there. Just use some red ribbon for the hanger, and I glue gunned the knots onto the back tin. That's what the back tin looks like. So yeah, if you're interested in making one of these, it's so simple, it really is. And I recommend Susie's video tutorial.